Hi everyone. Today we will learn how to make journal entry for type of capital investment. We will learn three examples for capital investment. Many people confuse that capital injection or capital investment to our company always cash or cash. That is not correct. Sometimes we invest by cash or sometimes we invest inventory or sometimes we invest fixed asset. So please see the first example. Mr. A owner invest $1 million by cash to ABC company. So how can we make journal entry for the transaction? What is debit and what is credit? So debit is cash, yeah, 1 million, and credit capital 1 million. Here is the first example. So now we will study the second example. Mr. A owner invest 2 million by cash and inventory for 500,000 to ABC company. So second example, we invest cash and inventory. So how can we record in our journal entry? Debit cash 2000, yeah, and debit inventory 500,000, yeah, and credit capital investment uh, 250000. So please check our three example. Mr. A owner invest, yeah, 7,000 by cash, and he also invest car 50,000 to ABC company. So how can we record journal entry? Mr. A, he is a owner, invest to Thai cash and fixed asset. David cash, yeah, 7,000, 700,000, and debit car, yeah, 50,000. Car is long-term asset or fixed asset. Credit capital investment. Yes. So you can see different example for capital investment. The first example we invest by cash, yeah, and second example we invest by cash and inventory. Inventory immediate is current asset that we held for sale or resell. And third example, we invest by cash and fixed asset. Car is a fixed asset or long-term asset. Thank you so much that we thank you so much that you see our example from beginning and ending.